Rate my feet for today. Oh, may spike pa yan, oh. Ito full fit ko. Oh. So, rate me 1 out of 10. Rate me 1 to 10 pala. Okay.